This is Engineer A.C. Sahu welcoming you all to our MKD education. So today we will start your question and answer session for chapter 4 of engineering mechanics. So we have discussed 6 questions about the center of gravity and some other questions we will discuss today, right? So let's start. So the first question. So the next question, a semicircle of 90 mm radius is cut out from a trapezium as shown in figure. So the trapezium, it is 200 mm and 300 mm the parallel sides and 120 mm the distance between two parallel sides, and from this trapezium a semicircle is cut. You can see the figure which is 90 mm radius. We have to find the centroid of this composite section. So the figure is given here. This is the figure. A trapezium is there, out of which a semicircle is cut, right? Trapezium ru semicircle bahari jaichi. So remaining portion jetik rahila, these are the remaining portions. We have to locate the centroid of these remaining portions, right? So the dimensions are, this is 120, it is given 120 mm, all dimensions are in millimeter. This is 200 mm, 200, and this is 300. This dimension is 300 mm, and this is 90 mm. The radius of this semicircle is 90 mm. 90 mm. This is 150 mm, right? So this is the question. According to the question, this is the figure. We have to locate the CG of this composite section. So you see from the figure it is clear that it is symmetric about y-axis. If we pass the y-axis at the middle of the figure, it will divide the total section into two equal halves. So as it is symmetric to y-axis, we can write symmetric to y-axis. So we can write x bar equal to 0, right? So we have to only find y coordinate of the CG. We don't know where the CG lies. Let us consider here that we will find. So this distance is your y bar. So this y bar we have to find. Okay. So for that, let us consider section 1 as the trapezium, section 2 as the semicircle. So here I am writing section 1 means your trapezium, so that area of this trapezium A1, you know, half into L1 plus मतलब 300 plus 200 दोनों parallel side का length into the height between them, that is 120, and the area, you know, it is 3000 mm square. 30,000, 300 plus 20, 500 into 60, so 30,000 mm square. And you know y1 bar, that is the formula. So this is h by 3 मतलब 120 by 3 into L1 plus 2 L2. So this is 300 plus 2 into 200, L1 plus 2 L2 divided by L1 plus L2. So 300 plus 200, and the value is 56 mm. Okay, this is for trapezium. Next, section 2. So our semicircle. So area of the semicircle, half of the circle area. So this is half into pi r square. Pi r means 90 square. And the value you will find area of this semicircle 1272.1273 0.45 mm square, right? So y2 bar means this distance semicircle ro centroid ro y bar, that is your 4r by 3 pi. So this is 490 divided by 3 pi, and the value you will find this is 38.197 millimeter, right? So already we have found a1 y1 a2 y2, so that the y bar will be a1, it is into minus माने cot हेची, so minus formula पड़िबो a1 y1 minus a2 y2 divided by a1 minus a2. So final answer will be 69.11 mm. ठीक है? So this is the final answer of the y value. So we can write the coordinate of g as x bar 0, so 0, y bar is 69.11 mm. ठीक है? So this is your this question. Now come to the next question. Next question. Find the moment of inertia of an equal angle section 80 mm into 80 mm into 10 mm about its centroidal axis. So here this is an equal angle section 80 80 10, the dimension is given. We have to find moment of inertia about x and y axis which are passing through the CG of this L section or angle section. This is the figure. Here this length equal to this length, so here it is 80 mm, this is also 80 mm according to the question. 80 into 80 into 10, so this length is 10 mm. ठीक है? So this length is also 10 mm. So all dimensions are in millimeter. We will find the CG of this composite section about its centroidal axis. So about its centroidal axis we will find. So for that, first we will check whether this is symmetric or not. Clearly it is neither symmetric to x axis nor symmetric to y axis. That's why axis हम कोड प्लेस करिबा फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट रे फिगर को रखिबा. So the axis it रहिला हमर x axis and here y axis, so that figure will be in the first quadrant. ठीक अछि? Now see, then we will divide the angle section into two rectangular sections. Suppose in this way we have divided, so that this is our section 1 and this is our section 2. ठीक अछि? So now the angle section is consisting of two rectangular sections. Section 1 रो centroid टा को हमें G1 लिखिबा and section 2 रो centroid को G2 लिखिबा. So this actually question कहिछि कि actually एठी mi हमको बाहर करियार अछि. mi about its centroidal axis. Centroidal axis means total angle section रो centroid जोठी रहइबो सेठी दिटा तक axis pass करिवो. Then we can say those two axes are the centroidal axis. So first of all our duty is to find the what? CG of the composite section. So CG locate करिया पे हेले reference axis हम एठी x और y नेले. So these two axes are chosen only for to locate the CG. But mi एई axis रे बाहरिबोनी, mi बाहरिबो other जो axis रहइबो CG देखिना जो axis pass करिवो. So CG calculation already you know the formula. So directly mu लिखुची एठी subsection 1 रो area A1 which is your 80 into 10. So this is 800 mm square. And you know x1 bar केते जदि reference axis एठी हला, this is origin 0 0. So x means 8 to 8 पर्यंत 80 by 2. So this is 40 mm. ठीक अछि? And y1 केते? y1 means this distance. So 10 by 2, 8 vertical distance. Total da 10, y means 80 vertical distance. इटा हला x एक्सिस रु वर्टिकल डिस्टेंस सो 10/2 मींस 5 mm ठीक अछि। सिमिलरली सेक्शन 2 रो एरिया 8 टू एतक टोटल थिला 80 माइनस हेगला 10 सो 8 टू एतक वाला 70 into 10 सो एरिया केते हला 700 70 into 10 700 mm स्क्वायर ठीक अछि। एंड x2 केते x2 बार तल लेखछि x2 बार मींस a2 एतक g2 रो x कोऑर्डिनेट एटा हला y एक्सिस सो a2 हॉरिजॉन्टल डिस्टेंस इट देखो 10 divided by 2 so this is 5 mm. And what is y2? Y2 means a to a portion. So this distance is total 70. So this distance is 35 plus 10. So हम लिखिबा कोन y2 equal to 10 plus 70 by 2 that is your 35. So this distance is 45 mm. ठीक अछि। a1 x1 y1 a2 x2 y2. So now x bar equal to a1 x1 bar plus a2 x2 bar divided by a1 plus a2. So after putting the values you will find x bar equal to 23.66 mm and y bar you will find a1 y1 plus a2 y2 same formula बारंबार एक फॉर्मूला में रिपीट करछे a1 plus a2 and the value is again same value you will get 23.66 mm right. So already हमें first part clear कर देले means already we have located the CG. Suppose 80 रहिला centroid G, then 80 हमर now the x axis will pass here and the y axis also passes here. So then हमें ये x and y axis को कहिबा centroidal axis. So this x and y were only कौन are the reference axis to locate the CG. So CG now this point is our CG, right? So what is the distance now? The distance is the distance is a to एतक distance इटा है CG रो x coordinate हमर g रो x coordinate दीटा जगह था 23.66 so it लिख दोछि this is 23.66 mm this distance and this distance also a to एतक y distance 23.66 clear 0 x coordinate जहाँ y coordinate से एबे हमें बाहर करिबा mi of this angle section about this x axis and this y axis मन रखो एठी अब x and y नाही राइट मु ताको लिभे दी पारिबी तमे आउ थरे अलगा फिगर रे करि पारिबो किछ प्रॉब्लम नै स्टिल थाओ किछ प्रॉब्लम नाही बट नाउ this x and y we will take otherwise जेहेतु एठी x y कहिनी you can write x dash y dash central axis तो कहिछि सो दीटा axis हम लेले ठीक अछि। So now we will find mi about x dash axis and mi about y dash axis, right? So to find the total mi about x dash and y dash axis, we will find individual moment of inertia, then we will add. So we have now got x bar equal to y bar of the center that is equal to 23.66 mm. ठीक अछि। सो x बार y बार मु एक्सिस नै जाय छै एबे x dash y dash जो ताकि हमर सेंट्रोइडल एक्सिस का फॉर द एंगल सेक्शन बट इंडिविजुअल सेक्शन को गले हमर x y रहउची cg पाइबा पे इंडिविजुअल सेक्शन को गले इटा हो सेंट्रोइडल एक्सिस जोटा हमर दरकार नै हमु दरकार सेंट्रोइडल एक्सिस का एंगल सेक्शन रो बट इंडिविजुअल सेक्शन पई ये है नॉन सेंट्रोइडल एक्सिस। सो हमें फर्स्ट अबाउट x एक्सिस बात करिबा so I1 section 1 रो बात करिबा 2 रो बात करिबा ऐड करिबा I1 x dash काइन होचे x एक्सिस नेले केवल cg पाइबा पई x dash नबा mi बात करिया पई सेंट्रोइडल एक्सिस रे। सो I1 x dash इक्वल टू हम लिख परिबा I1 g plus a1 h1 bar square. So I1 g मतलब b1 d1 q by 12 80 into 10 section 1 by 80 into 10 cube by 12 plus area है 800 800 into h1 बार पिला माने एटी गोटे फार्मूला हमें मन रख h1 बार मु एटी लिख दोची h1 बार माने हमें लिख परिबा y1 एटी x एक्सिस सहित नोचे ना पे y minus y1 बार एटी मन रख जदि फार्मूला मन न रहइबो बेटर हैला हमें कोन करिबा ना फंडामेंटल देखियो फंडामेंटल सो x एक्सिस रो डिस्टेंस नंबर फ्रॉम द सेंटर g1 रो x एक्सिस पर्यंत डिस्टेंस टोटल 23.66 एटा 5 so minus 18 23.66 minus 5 18.66 square so finally the value is 285,223.1467 mm. This is section 1. Now for section 2 I2 x dash equal to समान formula पकेबा I2G plus A2 H2 bar square. So एठी जेमती H1 टाको y minus y1 नेली एठी H2 को हमें नहीं परिबो y minus y2 पिला माने ए फार्मूला भी तबे अप्लाई कर परिबो बट हमें फंडामेंटल बुझबा I2G means B D by 12 so B कते सेक्शन 2 पाई B हला 10 into D हला 70 cube by 12 plus 700 into distance माने हमर G2 रु x axis पर्यंत डिस्टेंस टोटल डिस्टेंस एतक जोटा कि हमर 35 plus 10 45 minus 23.66 square so the value is 604610.25 ठीक है now we will find mi about y dash axis so this is I1 y1 y dash equal to same formula पकेबा हमरो सेक्शन 1 पई I1G plus A1 h1 bar square तो y axis पई नोचे एठी h1 हबो केते ना x minus x1 bar ए फॉर्मूला ना बुझबा बा फंडामेंटल देखबा g1 रु x y axis पर्यंत डिस्टेंस एटा so dv cube by 12 y axis रो नि होची d हला 10 into 80 cube by 12 area 800 into h1 means y axis पर्यंत डिस्टेंस this is total distance is 40 minus 23.66 right so the value is 640,263.14 millimeter fourth. Now for section 2 I2 y dash so एठी h2 रो वैल्यू हला x bar minus x2 bar ये फार्मूला खाली मन रखिता पुट को लाड को पुट करबा नाले काम फंडामेंटल लॉजिक so I2G plus A2 H2 bar square so I2G dv cube by 12 d केते एठी सेक्शन 2 by d हला 70 into 10 cube by 12 plus area is 700 into h2 माने g2 रु y axis पर्यंत डिस्टेंस this distance so एतक हला हमर केते 23.66 minus 805 so 18.66 square and the value is 249570.25 millimeter fourth so I1 I2 बारला for x and y axis total पाई हमें simply add करिबा section 1 रो x axis mi plus section 2 रो x axis रो mi we will get I x axis so हमें I x dash बार करिबा by adding similarly I y dash बार करिबा by adding for section 1 and 2 ठीक अछि so